Hi everyone, my name is Zilpa Hasiro. I'm one of the participants at the e-Biz Kwa Vijana project, and my business name is called Jil Enterprise. So at Jil Enterprise we sell groundnuts, we sell porridge unga, and also we sell maize meal. We also have another side of the business that deals with services, that will be catering, and also we do inventory management for businesses. So what we do is that a client can subcontract us to do their stock take and to input their data in the system, and from there every quarterly we keep following up on how they are progressing. The most valuable lesson and skill I've acquired is that I've learned how to post my business on social media. I wasn't doing that previously, and also just to organize, because if the first time I started posting, I was just doing things, everything was just everywhere. There was no planning, but at least now I know there's how I plan my postings and also how I categorize my business, because it is not just products but also services are involved. Yeah, so that has really helped me to do a better job than the one I was doing. I didn't know that somebody can actually, the way you can just see postings on social media and you're wondering if people actually buy. And so for me, I didn't know that is possible, or even if it was, it is not as frequent as maybe when you walk in a shop. But when I tried, I've seen it's actually possible, and one can make money when you sell your products and your services online. So that has really changed my perspective on how I view e-business. So my plan moving forward, because after I did this training, I had opened my business on Instagram and Facebook, but now I'm also on Google. And my future plan, I would also want to be on platforms like Amazon and eBay, and just partner with some of these big platforms so that I can go global. One of the things I've learned and I'm using the most is posting my products on online platforms. So currently I'm on Gigi, but I'm looking forward to create for other platforms also, so that I can give my products more visibility. For any young entrepreneur aspiring and also looking to do business online, I would encourage you to join the e-Biz Kwa Vijana online training. It has helped me, and I'm sure it will be of help also to you. And I'm a testimony that you can actually learn a lot and do business, and you can sell anything.